Hello everyone, let's talk about Microsoft reducing the Copilot branding on Windows 11 because it appears that this won't happen the way most users want it to. Microsoft has begun ditching the Copilot branding from the Notepad app in the latest Windows Insider Preview build. So here we have version 11.25.12.28, and as you can see, the entry point for Copilot is no longer available, but as you can see, the menu is still here with all the same features. However, now we have a different icon and the feature has been renamed to Writing Tools. Now, if we go to the settings and you scroll down on what it used to be called Copilot features, now it's called Advanced Features, and here's where you can turn it on and off. This change marks the first visible step in Microsoft's effort to streamline AI across Windows 11. Copilot branding faced criticism from feeling intrusive and inconsistent, and the company promised to reduce its presence in core apps by rebranding rather than ditching the functionality. Microsoft keeps AI available while making it appear less front and center. However, this might not align with what users actually want. A lot of users value simplicity and minimalism, and they may prefer to eliminate AI features rather than hiding them behind a label. This new change satisfies Microsoft's stated goal, but it might fall short of users' expectations for a truly distraction-free Notepad experience. It is important to note that this is not only happening in Notepad, so if we bring the snipping tool toolbar when using the quick markup option, we can see that in the toolbar, we no longer have the entry point to access Copilot features. Microsoft has also promised to reduce Copilot entry points from other apps, such as Photos, widgets, and let's hope the company also makes changes to the Paint app and File Explorer. Now, the only problem is that it appears that the company will only be ditching the entry points, but not the AI features. But let me know what you think about this approach. Are you okay with having the AI features, but just not labeled as Copilot? Or if you were hoping that apps such as Notepad will be kept simple without any AI features? Remember to like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.